Hello children, good morning. Children, we have completed our lesson 2, right? Lesson 2, one second. Lesson 2, we have completed our spell words, Katin Shabd, Shabdarth, Vilom Shabd, right? So today we are going to write Prashna or Uttar. Every one of you all open Hindi textbook, page number 11. Okay children? Here, in this page, he had given some Vilom Shabd. You can see here, Vilom Shabd is there, right? So, this Vilom Shabd you need to rewrite, copywriting. See here and write down, okay? Here you need to write this, and here we have question answers. First answer you have written, given. So, we need to write remaining 4. After writing the question answers in the textbook, neatly you need to write in classwork as well as homework. Textbook, classwork, homework. Okay children? First you write down in classwork, next day you write, first day you write in your textbook, next day you write it in the classwork, then the third day you write down in the homework. Okay? Textbook 1 time, classwork 2 times, homework also 2 times. Question 1 time, answer 2 times. Okay children? So first one, what he had given? चूहे कहाँ रहते थे? What it is? First you need to write this one, copywriting. See and write down. गांव गांव, शहर शहर, दिन रात, भला बुरा, बूढ़ा जवान, दुश्मन दोस्त, पास दूर. This one we have written in the classwork, right? So same thing here. You need to copy and write it down. Okay children? So here in the question answers he wrote, he asked, चूहे कहाँ रहते थे? Where the cats, rats used to live? They used to live out of the village, right? चूहे गांव के बाहर रहते थे. First answer he had given already, so we will be writing the second answer. चूहों का मुखिया कौन था? Who was the head of the rats? There was an old rat, right? चूहों का बूढ़ा चूहा चूहों का मुखिया था. So I will be writing only the answer. You write down. Right? Look at the answer and write it down. चूहों का मुखिया. सही. चूहों का मुखिया कौन था? चूहों का मुखिया एक बूढ़ा चूहा था. Who was the head of the rats? An old rat was the head of the rats. चूहों का मुखिया एक बूढ़ा चूहा था. सही. चूहों का मुखिया एक बूढ़ा चूहा था. Okay children? Now let's go to the third one. So as per our knowledge, this is the second answer and this one is the third one. चूहों को खाने पर किसने बुलाया? Who invited the rats for the dinner? Who invited? Cats have invited, right? किसने बुलाया था? बिल्लियों ने बुलाया था. खाने पर किसने बुलाया था चूहों को? चूहों को खाने पर बिल्लियों ने बुलाया था. Let's write. चूहों को. चूहों. Whenever we are writing O की मात्रा, we should put ang की मात्रा here in the word. It will become plural. Okay? चूहों को खाने पर बिल्लियों ने बुलाया था. किसने बुलाया था? चूहों को खाने पर बिल्लियों ने बुलाया था. Okay children? Say it again. चूहों को खाने पर बिल्लियों ने बुलाया था. चूहों को खाने पर बिल्लियों ने बुलाया था. So let's write fourth one. Fourth one. चूहों ने अपनी जान बचाने के लिए क्या किया? क्या किया चूहों ने अपनी जान बचाने के लिए? चूहों ने अपनी जान बचाने के लिए बिल में घुस गए. क्या किया उन्होंने? 1 second, just hold on. You guys write it down. I'll be letting you know. चूहे, you should answer those in this way. चूहे अपनी जान बचाने बिल में घुस गए। चूहे क्या, चूहों ने क्या किया? चूहे अपनी जान बचाने सॉरी चिल्ड्रन, हियर द आंसर इज रॉन्ग। बचाने के लिए, बचाने के लिए बिल में घुस गए। क्या किया चूहों ने? चूहे बिल में घुस गए। सही, चूहे अपनी जान बचाने के लिए बिल में घुस गए। What they did? They have entered into the hole, right? By that they have saved their lives. What's the fifth question? चूहों ने किसका धन्यवाद किया? In the last, for whom they said thank you? From whose sake they have saved their lives? Because the captain, the head of the rats, have given them suggestions, right? So that's the reason they have to thank that person, right? That the captain. So they went to their captain and said, thanks a lot, you have saved our lives. So कैसा आएगा ये आंसर? चूहों ने बूढ़े चूहे का धन्यवाद किया। चूहों ने बूढ़े चूहे का धन्यवाद किया। किसका धन्यवाद किया? चूहों ने बूढ़े चूहे का धन्यवाद किया। Okay children, they have thanked their captain to save their lives. So we have completed our question answers. Now next one is textbook only. In the textbook, he had given, in the page number 12 children, he had given join the words and make it a one word. Okay, join, we need to join this word and we need to write it down. First one he had given ga plus verb. What it will become? Gaon. He had given the meaning also. What is meant by gaon? Village. Okay. Similarly, you need to join all the letters and make the word. Mu plus ki plus ya. What it will become? Mukhiya. Head. Okay. What is meant by mukhiya? Head. These are the words which has been given from the meanings. Mukhiya, din, chuha, gana, bill, jar. Okay? Head, day, rat, song, whole, life. These you need to do it as a homework. Okay children? Now next, moving to the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks we will be doing. So children, again I am telling you all what you will do, question answers. First you write it down in the textbook. Okay, here. Then write in the classwork. Then only you write down in the homework book. Copy the question neatly from the textbook and answer and write down neatly. Anyhow, I will be sending you all one question answer sheet. You no need to worry. So we will be writing now. Fill in the blanks. Complete textbook part we are doing children. Here we will be writing the. I think everyone know the answers. He had given Billiya, Samardar, Gaon, Mukhiya. Billiya, समझदार गांव मुखिया. Okay? So you have to choose these words and fill in the blanks. डैश के बाहर बहुत सारे चूहे रहते थे. कहाँ रहते थे चूहे? किसके बाहर? गांव के बाहर. राइट? सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट वन. गांव के बाहर. नेक्स्ट, उनका डैश बूढ़ा चूहा था. Who was the बूढ़ा चूहा? बूढ़ा चूहा was the मुखिया. उनका मुखिया बूढ़ा चूहा था. नेक्स्ट, डैश ने चूहों को अपने साथ खाना खाने के लिए बुलाया. किसने बुलाया चूहों को अपने साथ खाना खाने के लिए? बिल्लियों ने. दिस वन इज थर्ड वन. नेक्स्ट, बूढ़ा चूहा बहुत डैश था. बूढ़ा चूहा हाउ ही वाज? वेरी इंटेलिजेंट. इंटेलिजेंट मीन्स व्हाट? समझदार. सो दिस इज द फोर्थ वन. बूढ़ा चूहा बहुत समझदार था. ओके चिल्ड्रन, टिल हियर वी हैव कंप्लीटेड. नाउ दिस वन and this one I will be telling you all in the later class. This one also we will see this one. Okay, up to 15, page number 13, 14, 15 I will be explaining you all. Okay children, take care, bye bye.